Here again we're going to show you the colors I'm using. The yellow, red, and black, and also a gold, sort of a metallic gold, just to give the darker color a little shimmer. Now I've done a little on the back here to show you where I'm headed with it. There's the honey color in the center that we started with, and then we're going to make a darker shade of brown to go around the outside. So I'm actually using some of the yellow that we started with, and I'm adding some more color to it. Now this tone will be more of an intermediate tone. I'm not going as fully dark as I intend to. We started with the lighter shade, this will be the intermediate, and then we'll have a darker tone after that. You can see how much color we've got in there now. And now we're going to add it to the pot to where we can spray it. Now I adjust the pot to where I've got about 30 pounds of pressure on the pot and the paint itself, as you can see here. And I'll have a little bit more, probably closer to 40 pounds going air pressure to the gun. Now before I start on the guitar, I'm just going to test it on a scrap piece of poster board. I just want to verify that color's where I want it to be. So now I'm going to start adding this intermediate tone. Now this first light coat, I'm going to go over the entire front. And then you do want to give that lacquer a good hour to dry before we add some more color to it. And I'm going to add the red and the black and make it a little browner and start to get that dark tone. You can see here how sort of chocolatey brown we've made it. Again, I'm just mixing this with some regular lacquer, the clear lacquer, to get a mixture. We're going to use several coats here, so you might as well mix up a good quart of material, I'd say. And now I'm going to start putting in sort of the sunburst pattern. So I'm just going to kind of hit the edges, almost sort of draw out a pear shape. And now I can start to hit the sides and the neck and the headstock with this darker shade. Now if you're using just a solid color for your guitar, you could even do that with just a single spray can and just spray a solid coat all over it. You might want to put 2 or 3 coats of your solid color on just to build up the right millage for it. Now that it's dry, we're going to take that same dark color and just keep building it up darker and darker as we get toward the edge. Again, you want to get the same tone built up on the neck and the sides. And now with this last coat, we're going to get pretty dark on the outside edges. And there's our finished sunburst pattern. But actually, I think I'm going to make it a little darker on just the outside edges. Again, the degree of darkness you get and just how opaque you make the outside edges are kind of up to you. You can make it as light or subtle as you like.